Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create workout plans with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. So here, I'm gonna guide you on how to effectively ask ChatGPT to help create workout plans. You can adjust the prompt based on your fitness level, specific goals, available equipment, and time. For this, you just have to follow some rules, tips, and tricks. I'm going to show you some rules with example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Be specific about your fitness goal. Example prompt. I'm looking to create a workout plan focused on building muscle. Can you help me outline a weekly workout routine that targets all major muscle groups? Let's wait for the answer. Here it is. Start with your primary fitness goal to give ChatGPT clear direction. Goals could include building muscle, weight loss, improving endurance, flexibility, etc. Number 2. Mention your fitness level. Example prompt. I am a beginner and would like a workout plan that is easy to follow and gradually increases in difficulty over time. I prefer full body workout. Here is your answer. Your fitness level will help ChatGPT recommend exercise of appropriate intensity. Number 3. Specify workout frequency and duration. Example prompt. I can work out 4 days a week and I have 45 minutes to 1 hour for each session. Can you suggest a balanced workout plan? Let's see the answer. So you have to share how many days per week you are available to work out and how long each session should last. Number 4. List any equipment you have. Example. I have a set of dumbbells and a resistance band. Can you create a workout plan using this? Here's the answer. Let ChatGPT know if you have access to a gym, resistance bands, dumbbells, or no equipment at all. This way, it can tailor the plan accordingly. And the last one, number 5. Add any preference for exercise type or format. Example prompt. I prefer HIIT style workouts over traditional weightlifting. Can you design a plan with mostly bodyweight and cardio based exercise? Your answer is ready. Some people prefer bodyweight exercise, HIIT, or traditional weightlifting. Mention any preference to make the plan more enjoyable for you. That's it. So, feel free to use variations of this format to match different fitness goals or preference. Let me know if you would like tips for making these plans more effective over time. That's it. So this is how to create workout plans with ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.